Gas Metal Arc Welding. GMAW, also commonly known as MIG welding, metal inert gas, is a welding process that uses a continuous wire electrode and a shielding gas to join metals together. How it works? An electric arc is created between the metal workpiece and a wire electrode. This arc melts the wire and the base metal, creating a molten pool that forms the weld. At the same time, a shielding gas, like argon or CO2, flows out of the nozzle to protect the molten weld from contaminants in the air, like oxygen and moisture. As you move the welding torch along the joint, the wire automatically feeds, allowing for a smooth and continuous weld. Main components. Welding machine power source usually provides constant voltage DC. Wire electrode, often a solid metal wire fed from a spool. Welding torch/gun delivers the wire and shielding gas. Shielding gas protects the weld area. Common gases include argon, CO2, or a mix. Advantages. Fast and efficient, good for long, continuous welds. Easy to learn, ideal for beginners. Cleaner than stick welding, less spatter, no slag. Works well on steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Where it's used. Automotive repairs. Metal fabrication shops. Manufacturing. Construction, especially indoors. Notes for using GMAW MIG welding. 1. Metal preparation is crucial. Always clean the surface before welding. Remove rust, paint, oil, or grease. Contaminants can cause porosity, weak welds, and spatter. Use a wire brush or grinder to prep the joint. 2. Proper grounding matters. Attach your ground clamp securely to clean metal. A poor ground can cause inconsistent arc performance, stuttering, or wire burnback. 3. Settings should match material type. Use correct voltage and wire feed speed based on metal thickness. Lighter material equals lower voltage, thicker equals higher. Most machines have a reference chart inside the door, follow it. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on arc welding machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.